To fix WhatsApp notifications not showing on your Android phone, follow these easy steps to make sure everything is set up correctly. Start by checking your phone's notification settings. Go to Settings, Apps, Manage Apps, WhatsApp, Notifications, and ensure that notifications are allowed. Make sure all toggles are turned on, especially for messages, group chats, calls, and other alerts. Next, check if Do Not Disturb mode is enabled on your phone. If it is, it might block WhatsApp notifications. Go to Settings, Sound and Vibration, Do Not Disturb, and turn it off if it's on. Also, open WhatsApp and tap on the three dots. Then go to Settings, Notifications within the app. Ensure that message, group, and call notifications are allowed with your preferred sound and pop-up options. Lastly, make sure WhatsApp is updated to the latest version through the Google Play Store. And if the problem still exists, try restarting your phone or reinstalling the app. By following these steps, you should start receiving WhatsApp notifications normally on your Android device. If this was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tech fixes.